Yes everyone, what is happening and welcome back to a brand new video. I've been away. I haven't posted in like 3 weeks. I've just had no content. I'm not going to make any old crap for no reason. So today what we're doing, we are fitting an anti-roll bar for a Corsa Vxr. I don't think these are very common mods, but the back end is a bit twitchy, so I think this is going to definitely overhaul the Corsa. So I'm waiting for my brother to get here. And we are gonna, he has got a bolt cross threaded, so it's kind of, he's already fitted it but it's knocking. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it off and then I'll show you how to fit it, and hopefully we can re-tap the hole and then stick it in and go for a little drive. I've got the GoPros and everything, so we're gonna go for a proper little test drive, and yeah, hopefully I can show you guys at home how to fit Corsa Vxr anti-roll bar. So yeah, without further ado, let's get it. Right then guys, so anti-roll bar is off. Let me show you what we work with. So obviously these bits go on where your shock absorber are, and then where like your rear axle sits, so you've got your rear beam goes boom like that, straight across, and then obviously like that. So where it mounts on like the rear subframe, you've got like an L bracket that like connects to that, then goes into the bolt. So one of the, as you'll see in a sec, so that basically sits on there like that, and then that one bolt goes through there, and it just goes into the subframe. Basically the bolt, when trying to get it back into the car, it's just started to thread. As you can see, you just put the clamp on, put the 30mm nuts, and then bosh, job's a good one. So yeah, let me show you. So yeah, there's the trusty bolt. Mate, autofocus has gone dead on this camera. So yeah, there's the bolt. You can see that it's had a tough time trying to get it in, but it hasn't actually damaged the threads. It just looks like it's a bit used. And here's the one we are using. I don't actually know which is. It's an M10 1.5. So we're going to put that in the hole, create a new thread, and then we're going to try and put that in by hand, and then fingers crossed we'll be able to put the bracket back in. Get all that lined up, so let's go. Dog shit. I just want to make sure it's straight, because if it's straight then there's going to be no drama, you know what I mean?
I can't really get to it.
Nah.
That's as much as I can.
Is it? Just like it's going. Oh, you can hear it. Right, so I've gone up so it goes tight, and then I've just loosened it off a bit, and you can hear it crunching. Fingers crossed. I'm no tap cutting die expert, but that feels really good, so fingers crossed. Nah. Right, so we're just gonna hand start it and just see if it goes in nice, and if it does.
Oh, it's going to
go in. Tight. There's the ratchet there, look. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my fuck! It's only going in, ain't it, baby? Let's have a look.
Sweet, that's it. Pucker.
You noticed that it got loose. The one side was obviously cross-threaded, so it was only half in, and then the other side must have
pulled it down
because that bit was rattling. Obviously, I don't know if this is an actual true theory, but I think if one bit's like weak and it's vibrating, it's gonna attack the next best thing. So if that bit, this side wasn't done up enough and it started to rattle, that's why that's loose. So I'm going to throw a bit of Loctite on it and make sure it's never coming off again, so it's going to be solid on this back end. So let's whip her in. So it's going to go like that, and then the bracket is going to be sitting on that angle. So yeah, let's go.
Come on. I don't know if this has like a sailboat down or anything, you know. I ain't used it in donkeys. Here we go, come on soon.
Any left?
Yeah, should be. I don't use it. That's why my car falls apart. Oh my god, it's solid, this is. Jesus.
We'll get back to you.
Just give them a little spray of WD, because the bolts themselves look a bit tired, so give these a little blast just to help it get on. And yeah, let's go. So we've got this mounting point, which mounts to the bit that we've done under the car. So that these two bolts, we're going to bolt through that bracket, and then this little baby just sits where the shock is, and then we just put the shock bolt straight through there, do it up, happy days. So I'm going to try and line it up now, and we'll show you what we're doing.
So there you go. So we got a tight fit.
Yeah, but this will move anyway, so what we'll do, get the Allen key holes lined up, and then just do it, you're going to just do it hand tight, just so everything sits in nice, and then we'll go from there. So sweet.
Right then, my lovelies, this is where we're at. So shock bolt connected onto this like little mini drop link, rear anti-roll bar, bracket, shock bolt. Let's lower it down and go for a spin.
But even before that, it does feel like it. Don't know. It's like the Astra slightly.
It proper snatches, like, but it's got the diff, so it shouldn't.
No, but they say these diffs, they pull you. Like the Quave diff, I think it pulls you straight, but this pulls you in whatever direction. So it's like, I don't know, they're not the best I've heard.
No, but
so
David, if you're watching this,
yeah, he probably had a better diff than this though.
Nah, he had the Berg diff.
You sure?
Yeah, he had a Nürburgring diff with the Brembo brakes. That's what he said he swapped. Rev cool.
We're gonna get it.
Woo, the shit is
Fuck. You got. What did you do then? You got up to because you weren't gonna hit it in second, was you?
Bit the clutch.
You just dipped it.
Yeah, so accelerating. I was like, yeah, we're not gonna get it. Smash the clutch.
I don't normally do that.
Don't you do it?
I find when it's under load,
Yeah.
more bang bang. But if I stand still, I find the really shit.
Yeah, I
For
think
some
it's just
reason.
like forced induction, it's moving. But yeah, man, that definitely feels better. I'm not too sure which one this is. It might be a DNA one, I'm not too sure. But there isn't, I don't think there's many brands on the market that do these.
It's custom, that is. One of the lads said so.
Yeah, yeah, you need your pads doing next, I think. But it depends what you're going to do with the car in it, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Right, I'm gonna leave you on that note. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like, share, subscribe, do all that madness. See if we can hit 500 likes. If we can hit 500 likes, I'll be a happy person. So yeah, thanks for watching.